How to enable Roblox parental controls for kids. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your Roblox and simply log into your child's account. After doing that, we need to get to your settings. Simply click on the gear-like icon that you'll be able to see around on the top right corner. And after doing that, click on settings. After doing that, here, what are we going to do? Very first thing is to confirm your age, right? So what you're going to do is confirm that your child's account is underage. Then after confirming that, you can simply see this feature, continue with camera or continue with ID, in order to make sure that your age group is under 18, right? So after doing that, what you're going to do is simply click on the option parental controls right here. So like I said, if your child's account is underage, you will be able to verify a parent account if prompted. All you need to do is simply add down your email address right here and add in your email address in order to link it with your own Roblox account. So after doing that, now what we're going to do is again get to our account info. Then let's just get into security right here. Let's just get into privacy and content restriction. In here now, what we're going to do is we can actually set our content maturity. So we can set mild or minimum, just like this. Go back, and in here we can set our screen time. We can also set our communication and set your child's privacy and content restrictions, just like this. So yeah, this is how you will be able to enable Roblox parental control for your kid.